Welcome back to CNC Training video. Today I'll show how to make this 2D design for the beginner. See, here is some difficult for beginner. I will goes to step by step. See, uh, see the carefully. Here is some. Here is mechanical part, and here outer bigger diameter 150 millimeter. See, and bigger circle 62 millimeter inner one, radius 20 millimeter, that means diameter is double of the radius 40 millimeter. See, here is a three flange with 40 millimeter, and flange here is two circle, outer circle 26 millimeter, inner one 16 millimeter. See, and here need to three pattern. Okay, and 120 degree one flange to another flange angle. So here is two circle, outer diameter 24, inner one 14 millimeter, and between center distance between origin to circle center is 45 degree, sorry, 45 millimeter. So let's try to make this. First take part interface, then I will choose front plane. Okay, I choose today top plane in this case. See, our top plane is ready. Now I select center line. Okay. Now circle. I choose three circle. One, two, and the last bigger circle. See, and last one is construction geometry. See, now it's construction. Let's define smart dimension. Here is the bigger circle diameter 150 millimeter. And here in a 62 millimeter. Okay, and the shape small circle 40 millimeter. Okay, now I choose slot. So if you want, you can choose the many different type of your uh, practice. If you want, you can line, rectangle, slot, everything. Just I choose slot. I slot straight slot. Okay, see, and start from here. Okay, no need define fast. See, slot with 40 millimeter. 40. Okay, and see the slot point, click and hold control key, circle, make sure it's coincident. Okay, now it's coincident. So let's it's bigger. Now I cut this inner portion. trim power trim. See, now click this point to this point, make sure it's horizontal, and click this point to another point and hold control key this center line, make sure it's symmetric. This point control this line, make sure see, this point control this point, make sure it's horizontal. So now our design is fully defined. Let's circle. I need two circles. Start from the center, 1 and 2. Okay. Let's define. Here outer diameter 26 millimeter. And then inner one 16 millimeter. Okay. Now this shape pattern is this shape showing pattern, three pattern. Just I click circle sketch, and here linear sketch pattern, here is option because our is circle, so circular sketch pattern, so circular sketch pattern, and choose all these entities. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here showing 4 entities because I need to 3 here. See 3. Click this interface. See here is showing 3 pattern. Click this point. Now hold control key this origin point. Make sure it is coincident. See our design is fully defined. Okay. Now I choose see here is bottom base. See bottom base here distance 40 to 40, 80 millimeter, and origin to circle center distance 45 millimeters. Okay, let's make it. First I choose line, start to here, click this line and go forward. Let's backward this point, it's automatically arc. Click this point and this point. Oh, if you want you can make it tangent option. First click this okay, first click this point, make sure it's tangent, and it's also tangent, and then make sure this line is must horizontal. See now it's horizontal. Now choose this line and hold control key this circle, make sure it's tangent. See now it's tangent. Now I cut this unexpected line. First choose trim entities and power trim and drag this, it's cut it. Okay. Let's define. Okay, first distance, origin to this point. Here is 45 millimeter. Okay, now end of arc control circle, make sure it's coincident. So now it's coincident. And then vertical distance, see, click origin point and this point, and vertical distance 40 millimeter. Okay, now I choose circle. Here is two circle. Okay, let's define. Here outer diameter 24 millimeter, inner one 14 millimeter. Okay. Need this shape is from another one. Just click sketch. Here is mirror, mirror entities, and choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mirror about, mirror from center line. See. Okay. Now I cut this portion because it is unexpected line. First trim entities and drag it. Okay. Select this point and this point. Make sure it's horizontal. See. Now our design is completely ready. If you want, you can make this 3D, but don't need now. I will learn step by step. Okay. See. You can make it carefully. See. All are dimensions selected. Here is option evaluate. Okay, here is measure. See, all is okay. Thanks for watching.